Welcome to our journey into the heart of American agriculture as we unveil the fascinating function of the farm combine, an essential titan of the fields. Imagine standing amidst a vast sea of golden crops extending to the horizon. It is here, in this landscape, that the farm combine becomes an extraordinary symphony of technology and tradition. But what exactly does this marvel of engineering do? The combine harvester is aptly named, combining several key harvesting tasks into a single impressive machine. It primarily performs three operations: reaping, threshing, and winnowing. Reaping refers to the cutting of the crops. Threshing is the process of separating the edible grain from the stalks and husks, and winnowing involves the removal of chaff and other impurities. First, as the combine moves through the farmland, its header, which can vary in size depending on the model, sweeps across the field, clipping the crop close to the ground. This processed mass travels into the machine's feeder house, where the true magic unfolds. Inside, the crop meets the threshing drum or rotor. Here, the grains are extracted from the husk, a meticulous ballet of separation. Once the grain has been liberated from its casing, it journeys on through a series of sieves, shaking off remaining debris while a powerful fan blows away lightweight chaff. What's left is clean, uncontaminated grain, ready to continue its journey to storage bins via the auger. Meanwhile, the remnants, such as straw and other byproducts, are expelled out the rear of the machine, often left in neat rows that can be baled for animal feed or bedding. Every element of the combine is synchronized to minimize waste and maximize yield, emphasizing efficiency. Its operation is not just about brute force, but also balance and precision, aspects that modern technology continuously refines. Skilled operators can adjust settings in real time, tailoring the machine's performance to varying conditions of moisture, crop type, and terrain, ensuring every harvest is more bountiful than the last. In essence, the combine harvester stands as a monument to human ingenuity, a critical link in a chain aimed at feeding the world. Next time you see a combine cutting across the farmland, remember the story it tells, a narrative of evolution, efficiency, and the relentless pursuit to nourish a growing global population, 1 acre at a time. Thank you for exploring this wonder of agriculture with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.